Hi po.
Siyempre, happy ka na barko. Nalipatan kita rin. Hi guys! Hi guys!
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Let's welcome to our channel.
Hello. Yeah.
Beth,
And
give the ano
actually, we have this challenge one more time. So let me transfer this video to Ralph, and then he will introduce to you further. Oh, yeah, sis ko na mag-ano rin.
Hi guys! Puro hi guys. Hala siya!
My God. Hi guys. Anyway, we're going to have a challenge like eating the paa ng manok, or in English is chicken feet, and the leg ng manok is the neck of the chicken. And the challenge will goes to George and Taras. And the challenge will start now. So bring it on.
Babe, tastes like adobo only. Dasalan mo muna kasi. O, be, try, be. Tissue mo, okay? One shot. No, just bite it. Wait, babe. If you try,
Good.
Put it down there. Only neck. Yeah,
ikaw
only.
na mag-video.
It is an egg.
Let's see,
Wait,
let's
Ben,
see.
ha?
But you're not supposed to eat the whole thing. Can you
Don't
guys
eat
demonstrate?
the bone, ha, be?
Can you demonstrate?
Don't eat the bone.
No, not her, not her,
Only the
not her.
skin. You can, iba lang yung skin, okay. Like chewing gum.
The foot. Eat this one, it's going like this.
Kasama ba ako dyan? Yes.
Look
Hold.
at this one, it's
Can
going
you
like
hold?
this.
Okay, can you hold
No, I
the
cannot.
neck? Hold, only hold
No,
this.
forget the neck. No, eat this one, it's going like
Okay,
this.
I'm going to eat. I'm going
Eat
to
the
show
one.
you. Okay. Oh, be you, be.
You eat the fucking whole thing? You're supposed to suck it with the bone.
And then you make some soup. Some soup?
You spit the bone.
Try, be. One more.
No, you're supposed to. And then
Okay, let's
leave the
Be, eat
fucking
na nga,
bone.
babe.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
go, babe.
Animal.
Oh my god.
God, don't
But
do
it
it,
tastes like adobo, babe.
chicken. No.
But try this, Matt. The bottom.
The what? The ass?
Bottom.
The bottom is the ass.
Bottom to, it's the feet.
No, hell no. No.
It's the knee. Knee. I don't know how you call this.
Yeah, it's called the knee.
This is the fingers. So this is the hand.
Clean by the way.
Very clean.
What else the thing?